Hey guys, welcome back again. I'm MJ. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Bluetooth connecting issues like if you have your Bluetooth audio, keyboard, mouse and other things. So let's see how to fix it if your Bluetooth is not working or you are facing Bluetooth connecting issues in Windows 10 or 11. I'll show you 4 or 5 steps. So watch this video very carefully. So first thing is whenever you're going to connect your Bluetooth device to a Windows 11 or 10 laptop, first disconnect the your Bluetooth device from previously connected devices. Like if you are using AirPods or earbuds, so first disconnect the your audio devices from the previously connected, like from your mobile phone or other devices. So first disconnect the your previously connected Bluetooth and then go to your PC setting and then go to Bluetooth and devices. Then turn on the Bluetooth, click on Add device and then click on Bluetooth, and here it will search the available Bluetooth and simply choose your Bluetooth and click to connect. If you ask the password, then insert the password it shows in the your device box. If you don't have any password, then try to type 000. So type the 4 0 and try to connect. If 0 not work, then type 1 2 3 4 to connect the devices. So this is the first and the basic thing. So first you need to disconnect your previously connected Bluetooth devices, then try to fresh connect to your laptop. This is the first and the powerful method. If this not work, then the second option is go to start and here type services. Okay, open the services. So here search for Bluetooth support services. Okay, just double click on it or right click on property. So just go to property of Bluetooth support services and here select the automatic, then click on stop, click yes and then click on start. So you need to start the service. Okay, click on start, apply and OK. After this, try to connect your Bluetooth devices. This is the second method. If it's not work or if you are using audio devices and your device is connected but you are facing sound problem, then right click on the speaker icon, then go to sound setting, here click on more sound setting and select the default speaker. If you are using more than 2 speaker or headphone, so select the proper speaker. If you are using headphone, then right click on the headphone and click on set as default. So whatever speaker you are using, just right click on it and click on set as default. Okay, and if it's still facing problem, then the next option is right click on this PC, go to manage, click on device manager and select the Bluetooth, extend it. So here select your Bluetooth. So these are my Intel R Bluetooth. So just select your Bluetooth name, right click on it and click on update driver. First try to install the driver from online. So just click on search automatically for driver. If this not work, again right click on Bluetooth driver and click on update driver and this time select browse my computer for driver and then click on let me pick up from a list, and here it will show the available driver. So if you have 2 drivers, then interchange the driver. So first install the one driver and click next and reboot your PC, and if not work, then try to install the second driver, do the same, select it and click next and install it. After this reboot your PC. So hopefully this will fix the problem. If it's not work, then the next option is you need to update the Windows. So go to start and then go to setting and click on Windows update. Here click on check for update. So it will show the available update, then simply update your PC. So it will install the missing driver for your PC. So update the Windows. So if it's not work, then the next option is I go to run, just press Windows R and then press REGEDIT, that's been registered. So remember one thing, doing registry edit, it's a little risky. So it's better to take the backup of your registry or do it on your rigs. Okay. So watch this carefully from here. So just click OK and then click yes. So here first thing is extend the H key user. Okay. Then extend the default. Okay. And then extend the software. Under the software, extend the Microsoft. Okay, under the Microsoft, extend the Windows here. Under the Windows, extend the current version. And now you will find the Bluetooth option. Select the Bluetooth and extend it. You will find one more option here, exception DB. So extend the DB and then you will find one more option here, ADDRS folder, and just extend the ADDR folder and you will find one folder there. So just right click on this folder and delete it. Okay, so be careful here, only delete the folder under the ADDRS. So don't delete other folder. Okay, so only delete the folder what is inside the ADDRS folder. Just select it and delete it, and after this reboot your PC. Okay, and hopefully this will fix your problem. So if it's not work, then the next option is again go to run by pressing Windows R and press REGEDIT. Let me register it, open it, and this time go to H key local machine, extend it, and then go to software here and then select the Microsoft. So under the Microsoft, select the Windows NT. So it should be in the bottom. Okay, here Windows NT folder, extend it and then click on current version, and in the right panel you can see the current version. Okay, 6.3. Just double click on it and the value should be 6.2. so just do it 6.2 and click OK and close it, and after this reboot your PC and try to connect your Bluetooth. So hopefully this will fix the problem. So I have showed 5 or 6 method. Let me know in comments which option or which method is fix the problem. So thanks for watching guys. Catch you next video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you very much.